Okay, Kyana, I don't really have anything to show you on this one, so I guess I could just text instead of doing a video. I don't know. But for your questions, the second and third questions, the second one says if there were several vectors to add rather than just two in this lab, which of the two vector addition methods will result in more error and why? Well, part 3, the component method, is the part that's purely mathematical, and so it should, in theory, be correct. And so I'm thinking that that's the one that results in less error, which means the graphical method. Do you know what? Now that I'm saying this, I think that they're asking us to compare the experimental and graphical method. I would be curious to know which one ended up resulting in more error, and so you're going to use it. You're going to look at your percent error to figure that out. And I have no idea which would result in less error. I think the graphical method would be less error, and the experimental would be more, just because with the experimental you've got more things that can go wrong, and graphical is a little bit more like component, and component's supposed to be the perfect world results. And then for part 3 it says, what's the difference between the resultant and the equilibrant vectors? Equilibrant vectors. You know, I don't really know. Just from reading the beginning of the lab, I know equilibrant is in the exact opposite direction, which is why the equilibrant one goes northeast and the resultant one goes southwest. And that's why you subtracted 180 from your 229, because 180 is what makes it go in the exact opposite direction. All right, text me if you have questions.